In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an employee in Zoho People, whether you're just getting started with Zoho People or you're adding a new team member to your existing account. I'll walk you through each part of the process so you feel confident doing it on your own. Let's start from the main dashboard of Zoho People. This is the first screen you see after you log in, and it's essentially your control center for everything related to your organization's people data. Take a moment to make sure you're on this home dashboard before you begin, so you're seeing the same layout we're talking about. From the dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see an option called Quick Actions. This area is designed for the tasks you do most often, so you don't have to dig through multiple menus every time. Go ahead and click on Quick Actions. Once that menu opens, you'll see a list of commonly used shortcuts. Among those options, look for the one labeled Employee. This is the entry point for managing individual employee records. Click on Employee to continue. After you click Employee, you'll be given the option to add someone new. Here, select Add Employee. This will open a form or a new page where you'll enter the details of the person you're adding. Think of this as creating that employee's profile in your system, so it's important to be accurate and complete. Now you'll start filling out the basic information. First, enter the employee's name. Use their full legal name as it appears on official documents, unless your company has a specific naming convention. This helps keep records consistent and avoids confusion later, especially if you have multiple employees with similar names. Next, you'll enter the employee's email. This should be an email address they actually use, and in many cases it will be their official company email. Double check for spelling errors here because this address is often used for login details, notifications, and internal communication. A small typo can cause issues with access and onboarding, so it's worth taking a second to confirm it's correct. After that, you'll assign a role to the employee. In Zoho People, the role usually determines what they can see and do within the system. This might relate to their position in the organization, such as a manager, HR staff, or a regular employee, and it can control their level of permission. Choose the role that best matches their job responsibilities and the level of access they should have. If you're unsure which role to pick, check your company's internal guidelines or ask your administrator, because this can affect data security and workflow. Once you've entered the name, email, and role, review everything on the screen one more time. Make sure the spelling of the name is correct, the email is accurate, and the role matches what this person will actually be doing. When everything looks good, you can proceed to save or confirm the new employee record depending on the button you see on your screen. And that's all there is to it. You've used the Quick Actions menu from the dashboard, selected employee, chosen Add Employee, and entered the essential details: name, email, and role. After saving, the new employee is added to your Zoho People account and ready for any further setup your organization requires.